I'm going to be doing my everyday clean girl makeup. This is a newer favourite, the Illuminating Primer from Rare Beauty. I tried this for the first time recently. I've been really enjoying it. It's so glowy. I would even just wear this like on its own on like a no makeup day. Really pretty, illuminating finish. Look at that. Concealer, we are using the Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Concealer. Gives a really nice coverage and like a radiant natural finish. It's very much a concealer that just looks like skin. It gives a nice coverage, so I don't feel like I need to use full coverage foundation or anything afterwards. Go in with my holy grail. Look how well loved that is. You can't even see what it says anymore. Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. A product that I will use forever. I don't like a super heavy base, so I will just use the concealer and the Flawless Filter. For bronzer, we are using the Rare Beauty Warm Wishes Bronzing Stick. This is so freaking creamy. Literally melt into the skin. Whether you're like a beginner or like a contour expert, I feel like everyone can use these. I'm not a contour expert, so I just put it everywhere and blend and hope for the best. To my favourite step, which is blush. If you follow me on any other social media platform, you know my heart is with Rare Beauty and their blushes, starting with Worth. And let's use a little bit of Happy as well. I don't think I've actually used these together. Maybe I have. These are some of my favourite liquid blushes. I'm gonna top it with the new Rare Beauty powder blush in Cheer, which is Selena's custom shade. I just love blush. I think it literally just brings life to my face. And put it everywhere. Put it everywhere. We want it everywhere. Add a little bit of highlighter. This is the Rare Beauty one. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. It makes your skin look like glass. With a bit of setting powder, setting spray. Run a little bit of brow gel through, and this is the Rare Beauty one. If you couldn't tell, my favourite makeup brand by now. If you take away one thing from this video, let it be invest in a good pair of lash curlers. These are the Shiseido ones and they are glitchy. Look at the difference. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensation. I prefer drugstore mascaras to high-end mascaras. They are the one product I just don't think you need to spend a lot of money on, personally. Found a new lip combo that I cannot stop doing. So starting off, Rare Beauty lip liner. This is the shade Admired. This was in a limited edition set, so I don't know if they still do this shade. And the Rare Beauty lipstick in Fun. Just a dash of colour. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. That is the tutorial. That is the look. Nice, quick, easy, smashed it. I'm gonna try film more YouTube videos now that I have my setup finished. If you'd like a little tour, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye besties.